Okay guys, lunch at the national park. Check out my view. Not too bad, not too bad. Anywhere there's boats works for me. These are longtails. Full of tourists, this one. This is a reservoir. The dam is just right there. See, right behind that tree where the dam is, quite high actually. Don't know how big the lake is, but it's big enough to have tourist boats. Look at that.
I love somebody.
I think that's a restaurant. I'm not 100% sure.
I think so too.
Looks very quiet though. And then here, there's speedboats. And there's a nice speedboat down here. Somewhere. I saw one coming in. There's a longtail boat leaving now. Looks really low on the water, don't you? I need to find out where they're going. But we eat first. First things first. Foods here sometimes looks much different than what I'm used to, and I've never seen it served with iceberg lettuce. And we got fried fish with lots of fried garlic, and then we got yam mu yang, which is basically pork salad. But I think the best part is going to be the view. There's some very spicy dipping sauce too. Or it looks spicy. Ooh, yeah. It's different. It's a green dipping sauce. Yeah. Just in case for. That's why. Okay, let's try something. Fix my fork.
Oh, I don't know you have
very
this one.
cheap fork.
I had to move, go see them.
It's got green chilies in it.
Can see me? Hello. Have to
See
eat
you
too.
now. Onion and cucumber. Holy man,
Okay, dog.
I've never had cucumber that spicy before.
Ooh, hot.
And some fried pork. Looks good. This is very spicy.
Yum, no?
Yum have to be spicy. Cucumber, onion, tomato. Very nice tomatoes around here. Very spicy. It tastes a lot like somtam.
Yum.
Yum?
Somtam mà yum.
Lobster salad, yeah?
Take a spoon out.
A lot of spoons. Got a lot of peanuts in it, this one, Bill. Good, huh? Look at all this fried garlic. No vampires getting that today. Okay. How's the fish? Very crispy, eh?
I like that.
The inside is very soft meat. This is tilapia, by the way. It's like a pink one. And the skin. Very crispy. Good, yeah? I think it's good. No time to talk, I have to eat. Very nice. Huh? Are you sure? Like this? In the bowl, eh? In the plate, yeah? Wow. Never would have thought of that. You're doing it wrong. Got big shrimp, huh? Well, they're little shrimp, but normally it's tiny little dried shrimp. These are dried too. Very strong. Some come in rice. You sure?
You the one. You the one.
Very good, this fork. I think these boats, according to the pictures I was just looking at online, there is floating restaurants and hotels here. And that's where all these boats are going, taking the tourists to the floating restaurant. It's very spicy, that sauce, yeah? This is a beautiful place. Maybe somebody lives in the woods over there. Yeah, the sometimes is not great. The one we had yesterday was really good, yeah? But the chicken wing was no good. You like this? Yesterday for lunch we had chicken wings and somtam on the side of the road. Chicken wings were cold. It was only okay. But sometimes was really good. We have some new people. Tour, I think. Check it out. Look at our fish. Sometimes was nothing special, but everything else was good. The view is spectacular. All right, guys, well, that's it. Lunch with a View in a national park. Only in Chiang Mai. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is a good time to do it.